Hi friends! Thanks for tuning in. If you like this video, please give it a like, comment below, and take a moment to subscribe to our channel. Welcome to Thode, Saskatchewan, a small and charming community nestled in the heart of the province. Thode is located in the rural municipality of Dundurn, just a short distance south of Saskatoon. This location provides a peaceful and scenic environment surrounded by the natural beauty of the Saskatchewan prairies. The area around Thode is rich in history, with roots that trace back to the indigenous peoples who first inhabited this land. The community was named after John W. Thode, a prominent figure in the early development of the region. Thode was instrumental in the construction of the Canadian Pacific Railway line that runs through the area, and the town was named in his honor. Thode is situated in a region characterized by flat prairies and open skies, providing breathtaking views and a sense of wide open space. The area is rich in natural beauty, with plenty of opportunities for outdoor activities such as hiking, birdwatching, and exploring the local landscape. In summary, Thode, Saskatchewan, is a place where history, natural beauty, and community spirit come together. Whether you're passing through or considering a visit, Thode offers a warm welcome and a glimpse into the heart of rural Saskatchewan. Thank you for joining us on this tour of Thode, Saskatchewan. Thanks for watching.